In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code on Big Cartel. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a small business owner looking to give your customers a sweet deal, creating a discount code on Big Cartel can be a game changer for driving sales and customer loyalty. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to do just that, making the process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to the Big Cartel website. It's a space crafted specifically for artists and small businesses to thrive by selling their creations online. So go ahead and pull up their homepage to get started. Once you're greeted by the Big Cartel homepage, your next move is to locate and click on the login button. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your store where all the magic happens. If you're not already signed in, this is where you'll need to enter your credentials. Speaking of credentials, you'll be prompted to input your shop's unique URL followed by the password associated with your account. This might seem like a basic step, but ensuring you're entering the correct information here is crucial for accessing your dashboard without a hitch. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is where you can view an overview of your store's operation. But our focus for today is on the discounts. Look for the option that says Discount and give it a click. This action is your first step toward creating those enticing offers for your customers. Next, you're going to want to add a new discount. To do this, locate the button or link that says Add a Discount. This is where the real work begins in customizing your offer. Time to get creative. Start by typing in your desired discount code. This is the code your customers will enter at checkout to receive their discount, so make it memorable and relevant to the promotion or occasion. After setting your discount code, you'll need to provide a brief description. This description should offer your customers clarity on what the discount entails, such as 20% off all t-shirts. It helps to keep it concise yet informative. Now for the nitty-gritty details. When setting up parameters for your discount, you'll encounter several choices like when a customer, give them, on, starting, and expiring. These selections allow you to define the conditions under which your discount will be applicable, such as the items it applies to, the discount type, percentage off, fixed amount off, or free shipping, and the validity period. For each of these parameters, you'll click through to select the appropriate options that align with your discount strategy. This could be anything from applying the discount to all products or specific ones, setting a percentage off for the discount, deciding on start and end dates for the discount's validity, and determining any usage limits such as one use per customer. One of the final yet essential steps is to determine whether you want to limit the discount to one use per email address. This can be particularly useful for exclusive offers or to encourage customers to make the most out of a special sale. Once all your choices are made and you're satisfied with the setup, don't forget to hit save. Creating a discount code on Big Cartel is not just about enticing your customers with a deal, it's about strategically enhancing your store's appeal and encouraging repeat business. Considering the layout of your discount offer and tailoring it to match your target customers' preferences can significantly impact its success. Encourage new shoppers to try your products, reward loyal customers, or clear out seasonal inventory. The possibilities are endless. Throughout this process, remember the importance of clarity in your discount descriptions and the attractiveness of the offer itself. Keep the code straightforward to remember and use, ensuring a seamless checkout process for your customers. This not only aids in boosting sales, but also in elevating your brand's image and customer satisfaction. That wraps up our walkthrough on adding a discount code to your Big Cartel store. With these steps, you're well equipped to create compelling sales-driving discounts for your online shop. Whether it's a seasonal sale, a special promotion, or just a little something to show appreciation to your customers, the right discount can make all the difference. Happy selling, and here's to your success on Big Cartel.